100 English words that start with V. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Very excited, Mike?
Vastly excited, Myra.
Today we'll voice out 100 words.
All starting with the letter V.
V for voice, view, and value.
And V for victory, visit, and vision.
Just listen
Repeat with us.
and let your vocabulary grow.
Listen and repeat.
Vacation,
Vacation,
vaccinate,
vaccinate,
vaccination,
vaccination,
vaccine,
vaccine,
valid,
valid,
valuable,
valuable,
value,
value,
van,
van,
vanilla,
vanilla,
variety.
variety. Very good start.
Let's keep going. Various,
Various,
very,
very,
vast,
vast,
vegetable,
vegetable,
vehicle.
vehicle,
Verb,
verb,
verify,
verify,
version,
version,
vertical,
vertical,
very.
very.
You're doing great.
Repeat louder with us.
Vessel,
Vessel,
vest,
vest,
veteran,
veteran,
vibrant,
vibrant,
vicious,
vicious,
victory,
victory,
video,
video,
view,
view,
viewer,
viewer,
village.
village. Halfway there.
Stay focused. Villager,
Villager,
vine,
vine,
vintage,
vintage,
violence,
violence,
violent,
violent,
violin,
violin,
virtual,
virtual,
virtue,
virtue,
virus,
virus,
visa.
visa.
Doing amazing.
Let's keep going.
Visit,
Visit,
visitor,
visitor,
visual,
visual,
vital,
vital,
vitamin,
vitamin,
vocabulary,
vocabulary,
vocal,
vocal,
voice,
voice,
volcano,
volcano,
volunteer.
volunteer. Almost there.
Final words coming. Vote,
Vote,
voter,
voter,
vow,
vow,
vowel,
vowel,
voyage,
voyage,
vulnerable,
vulnerable,
valuable,
valuable,
vendor,
vendor,
venue,
venue,
velvet.
velvet. And that's 100 vibrant V words.
Repeat them often.
And your vocabulary will feel richer
Subscribe to English Podcast.
for valuable and fun lessons,
Keep your vision strong.
and your voice confident.
See you in the next episode.